Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In previous video, I told you how to create tables in MySQL Workbench. But in this video, we discuss about what is the alter command in SQL. So let's start it. First upon alter command. What is the alter command? Alter command is used for alternating the table structure such as to add a column to exiting table, to rename any exiting column, to change data type of any column or to modify its size, and last one is drop a column from the table. Now see one by one. Number one, add a column. Using alter command, we can add a column to any exiting table using this syntax: alter table, table name, add column name and data type. Now do practically. And now here I already create a table as a details, and column name are employee ID, EMP name and place. And I want to add one new column as a phone number. So using this alter command, we add one extra column to in this tables. So here I write a syntax: alter table, table name is details. I want to add column name as phone number, integer, data type. Now run this query. You can see here add one extra column successfully. Now check it. And you can see here phone number add successfully using this alter command. So using this first alter command, we have add one new column in table. Second is rename a column. Using this alter command, we have rename our column name, and syntax is alter table, table name, rename column, and write old column name to new column name. Using this syntax, we have rename column name. Now do it practically. And here I want to rename this column name place to city using this alter command. So I write here syntax: alter table, table name is details. I want to rename column, old column name is place to city. Now time to run this query. You can see here our query is successfully execute. Now check it. And you can see here our column name has changed place to city. Next is to change data type of any column or to modify its size. You also change the data type of any column using this syntax: alter table, table name, modify column, column name and data type. So now do it practically. Here I want to change employee name data type varchar into text. So I write here syntax: upon cut this, alter table, table name is details, modify column, column name is name, data type is text. Now time to run this query, and you can see here our query run is successfully. Now check it, and you can see here emp name, data type change, varchar into text. Now last one is to drop a column from the table. We have also dropped a column using this syntax: alter table, table name, drop column, and column name which you want to drop. So now it also do practically. Here I want to drop this column name phone number. So I write here syntax to drop table, alter table, table name is details. Now drop, I want to drop column phone number. Now time to run this query. You can see here our query has run successfully. Now check it, and you can see here column name phone number are dropped. I hope so you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates and also share with your friends. Thanks for watching.